You have likely heard about the Keystone XL project in the news for years. Let's look at what it was and why it mattered. At its core, Keystone XL was a proposed 200-mile extension of an existing pipeline system moving crude oil from Canada to the United States. The project aimed to transport over 800,000 barrels of crude oil every single day across the international border. Proponents argued that the pipeline would strengthen energy security and lower transportation costs compared to shipping oil by rail or truck. The debate was essentially a clash between economic development objectives and environmental protection concerns, including the potential impact on sensitive ecosystems. Pipelines are generally the most cost-effective way to move oil over long distances, which is why energy companies prioritize them for large-scale operations. Infrastructure projects like this often highlight the complex trade-offs between immediate economic gains and long-term environmental sustainability goals. Understanding energy infrastructure helps us grasp the bigger picture of global markets. Subscribe for more money basics and infrastructure insights.